Welcome to SQN Sudoku. I am going to solve New York Times Hard Sudoku 26/12/2021. We have 2, 7, 8th row and 10th row. Then not possible in these cells. Then possible come in this cell only. Number it already we have here. Then 8 possible in this cell. Then 9th row. 3 number is remaining. 3, 9, 1 is not confirmed. Then column I, then column G, we have 2 8s. In these cells is not come 8. Here also we have 8, and then it's possible to come here. Number 1, 5 and 6 are not possible in these cells. 1, 5, 6 is not confirmed. We will confirming later. Then in this grid 2 number is remaining. Number 2 9, then 2 9. Sorry. Number 3 9, 3 9. We have already 3 here. Then 3 can't come here. It will come here. Then 9 will come here. Six are not possible in this cell. Here also same thing, not possible. Is possible to come in this cell. Same thing 7 also. Not possible in this cell. Then it's possible here 6 and 7. Then we can place number 1 here because it's not possible in both the cells. In this grid only 2 number is remaining, 4 and 5. It will possible to come here in this both the cells. Number 1 and 3 are not possible in these cells. In this cell possible here only 1 and 3. Then remaining number is number 9. It will come here. Also we have 2 9. It won't come. Here also this will not come. Here also we have 2. Number 2 row, 4th row to 2 row can't come. The number 9 will come here. Then this number can't come here also. Same thing. Number 1 can't come. It's possible to come this cell, both cell. In first grid we have 1. Here also can't come. Then same thing here we have 2. Then can't come both the cells. We already 1 here. It not possible here. It's possible to come here only. Column C we have 6 already. We have this cell can't come. Also E column we have 6. In this cell won't come. Also we have H column H we have 6 can't come. Then possible to come in this cell only. Then 6 we can place here. It can't come in this both the cells. Then possible to come here. Then in this grid we have only 2 numbers is remaining, 1 and 5. The center of the grid we have 2. 6th row we have 1, and 7th row also we have 1. This can't come in this cells. We have 1 here. Then possible to come in this cell only. Also we have 9. In this cell can't come. Also we have 9. In these cells is can't come. We have 9. In this cell will be not possible. Then will come here only. 7 3 is not possible in these cells. Then it is possible to come this both the cells, the 3 and 7. Then the remaining numbers is that row only 2 is possible here only. We have already 3 here, can't come. Then 3 will come here, then 7 will be here. Then we have 2 also not possible in these cells. Here also same thing. Then 2 will be here only. We already know these cells 1 and 3 is remaining. The remaining numbers are here 4 and 5. E column we have 2 numbers remaining, 2 and 4. Four can't come in these both cells. It will come here or here. 9th row we have 4, 1 can't come here. We have also 4 here. 4th row can't come here. Then possible here. Also we have 7 also can't come in these cells. Also we below also we have 7. 4th here also possible, not possible. Then possible to come here only. Seventh row 7 can't come in cells. Here also D column we have 7 can't come this cell. Also we have G column we have 7 can't come this cell. Then possible to come here only. Also we have 8 also can't come in the cell. Also here we are can't come this cell. Then it's possible to come here. In 5th row we have 8 can't come here. Also we have 6th row also we have 8 can't come here. Also 2nd row also we have 8 can't come here. Also 10th row also we have only 8 can't come in the cell. Then it's possible to come here only. Also we have 7th row we have in this grid we have 8 can't come these cells. Also we have D column we have 8, this can't come in the cell. Then possible to come here only. In 7th row only two numbers remaining, 2 and 3. Already we have 3 here. Then 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 will come here. Then 2 will be in the cell. In center grid only 2 number is remaining, 2 and 4. Below already we have 2 here. Then 2 can't come in the cell. 2 will come here. Then 4 will come in the cell. Then E column only 1 number is remaining, number 4. Then 4. Then we completed 1 column E. Then 3 can't come into both cells. Then 3 will come here. Then same 3 can't come this both cells. Then 3 will come in this cell only. We have 3 here. Then 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 will come. The number 1 will come here. Column I only 1 number is remaining. Number 1 will come in the cell. In this grid only 1 number is remaining. That number will be 6. Column G we have only 2 numbers remaining, 2 and 5. 6 already here. Then 6 can't come in this cell. Also we have 6 here. Then 6 also not come in this cell. Then this 6 is possible here. 4 and 9 can't come in this cell, then possible to come in the both the cells. 4 9 4 9. Number is 6 cells come in this cell, then 6 can't come in this cell, then 6 above, below is coming 7. Then 3 can't come in this cell, 3 will come here. 6th row only one number is remaining, then number will be 5. 5 will come in this cell only. If we come 5, then 5 alone can't come in this cell, then 5 will be here. Remaining number 2 will become here. Second row only one number remaining, the number will be 5. Now fourth row we have only one number, the number will be 2. We have 2 7 in these cells, this cell, then 7 can't come in the two cells, then 7 will come here. Column C we have one number remaining, that number will be 4. Then 4 can't come in this cell, 4 will come here, 5 will be come here. Then 4 can't come in this cell, 4 will come here, 5 will come in this cell. Fifth row, 2 numbers remaining, 4 and 9. We have already 4 here, then can't come in this cell, will come 4 will be here, 9 will be in this cell. D column only one number is remaining, number 9 will be here. B column 2 numbers remaining, 1 and 2. We have already 2 here, then can't come 2 can't come this cell, then will come here, 2 will here, 1 will be here. We have already 1 here, then can't come in this cell, 1 will be here, then 5 will be in this cell. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.